Hi guys, today we'll talk about unique constraint. It is another constraint which is used in databases, and it can be created with SQL language. This constraint help you to, and this constraint is basically applied on any attribute of a relation. It can be applied on any column of a table in which you want to have unique values. So for example, if you have a table and in particular column you want to have unique values, you need to apply unique constraint on that particular column. So let's create a table and make an attribute as unique attribute. For example, create table uh, uh, students. Okay, students, for example, 20. Table name is students 20, and then I want to create a first attribute as student ID underscore ID, and data type of this attribute is number, and I don't want to make it primary key, so I just starting another attribute. So student name will be the second attribute, and varchar. Okay, so we have another attribute, name is a student underscore name, std underscore name, and data type is varchar, size is 30. Now we want to have student underscore email. So this email column, we want make this column as unique column, and we don't want to have duplicate email addresses in this column, for example. So what I will do is I'll make a unique constraint by writing, after providing this comma, you need to write constraint. Okay, now you need to write the constraint name. So let's create constraint name. You can use any name for the constraint. I'm using I'm writing something like email underscore std underscore unique. Okay, unq. So this would be known as, let's make it complete unique. And now I want to apply constraint name. So the constraint name is unique, and now mention the column which you want to make unique columns, right? So you want to apply this particular constraint on that column. I want to apply constraint on this column, which is std underscore email. So just paste it, std underscore email. I want to have unique email addresses in this column. I don't want to have duplicate email addresses. Therefore, I'm creating this column as unique column. So just applying unique, constraint on this particular std underscore email column. After applying it, now let's execute this query. So this table is created. Now let's check if this constraint is applied on this table or not. To check it, we will insert data into the in this table. So let's insert data in this table by using insert command. So the table name is students 20, and then the attribute names. So the attribute name is std underscore id, comma. Second attribute name is email address, and third attribute name is std underscore. Second email address is std underscore name, and third attribute name is std underscore email. Now I'll provide values for it. So the first student ID is 1, and name is for example A, and email address is a@gmail.com. Okay, now let's execute it. So this command will be executed smoothly, there won't be any error. Now if I again execute this command with id 2 and student name is B, now if I'm again providing same email address for this student who has id 2 and name is B, but email address is same, now I should get an error because this email address is already stored in this email column, and this column is unique. Therefore, duplicate values for the same email address cannot be inserted in this particular column. So I'll get unique constraint error. So let's run it. Now you can see I got an error called unique constraint. and this is applied on the constraint name is email underscore std underscore unique. So basically I'm actually violating this constraint. Therefore it says unique constraint and name of the constraint is this and is being violated. So what you need to do is you need to provide some separate email or different email from the previous one, and then you won't get this error. Now if you execute it, you'll find that query is executed very smoothly. So this unique constraint help you to, this is applied on any attribute of any relation, and that particular attribute will have unique values and there won't be any duplicate values for that particular attribute. So I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, please post your question in the comments. I will answer. Thank you.